you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have March Goddess Provisions. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so March Goddess Provisions just arrived. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what we get. Now, I believe last month was a lot better, and I was like, okay, they're back on track. So let's see how they continued. When you open it up, cards on the bottom. So let me go ahead and dump all of this stuff out. Okay, so now that I got everything out and I can get to the card on the bottom, very pretty with all the crystals on there. So the monthly mantra, it says, I'm enlightened with crystalline clarity. And that's what it says right there in the little font. On this side, it will go over every single item and it will tell you the pricing. Okay, so the first thing right here, it says Crystal Grid Microfiber Cloth, See with Clarity. This is valued for $7. You can use coupon code GODDESS15 to save 15% off at spiritstone.com.au. It says, clean your glasses and screens with the magic of microfiber. This cloth portrays a powerful crystal grid to summon passion, protection, and courage. Let's get this opened. There we go. I mean, it's really cute. It's cute. But yeah, so you can clean your glasses, you can clean your screens, that kind of thing, and that's valued for $7. Next we have, it says Rose Quartz Eye Soother. It's a facial massage tool delivered from ancient Chinese medicine. This right here says it's valued for $40. It says learn how to use it at goddessprovisions.com/crystal eye treatment. So you can go to their website to get more information if you want to know how to actually use it. It says treat yourself with the DIY facial with the stone of love and compassion. Use light pressure to reduce swelling, minimize dark circles, and soothe tension from around your eyes. Ooh, that is really neat. It's different. Look at that little thing. Looks like a pop socket, but it's a rose quartz. So I guess you would use this to kind of help with depuffing, maybe when you use your eye creams. Ooh, that feels nice. It's so cold. It feels really nice. So it's just a little tool. So I can stick that in my vanity. So when I do my skin routine, I can rub some in under my eyes if I would like. But that's valued for $40. So that's awesome. And I like that it's a rose quartz because I do have the rose quartz roller. So that is really cool. So we have that and it's kind of heavy. So it feels really good quality. So the next thing is this. It says Rainbow Goddess. Crystal can be very powerful in something. It's like there's like half the words are missing from the middle. So I can't really read that part. Ooh, but I do see lavender. Nice right there. Lavender in that bold thing. So yeah. Nope. I might just go ahead and just run water on this so I can show you guys what crystal is inside of it if you were wondering, because it does say that there's a crystal inside. This is Crystal Bar Soap Bath Bomb. This magical cloud has a powerful surprise and a crystal hidden inside. Add a warm bath or foot soak and relax as you breathe in the aroma of lavender, spearmint, and eucalyptus essential oils. Use coupon code RAINBOW to save 20% off at crystalbarsoap.com, and this is valued for $10. So I'll just, like I said, I'll just run it so I can show you what crystal is inside. But I'm definitely not going to enjoy the scent of lavender. So there's that, valued for $10. Now we have here's a bag of crystals. Is it, you know what? I've been getting this box for several years, and every single box, there's one crystal, like a stone, and this one does not have it. I mean, I guess they feel like since this goes, I think with this, I think this goes with this because that's what I'm seeing in the picture, but there's not just like the normal monthly crystal this month. So that's kind of odd, but I want to point that out. So this looks like a bag of rose quartz, and it's going to go with this bottle here. And then the bottle It's Goddess Provisions Crystal Ritual Water Bottle, Rose Quartz and Clear Quartz. So they're both inside there. There's clear, yeah, there's clear and rose quartz. You see the pink and the white. And I did see a picture on their Instagram of a like crystal infused water bottle, but it looked like it was bigger from the picture. Looks can always be deceiving. So this is what the container looks like. So it says ritual water right there with a little bit of like hearts and moons and a pencil looking thing. And then clarity, healing, love, beauty, joy, balance. Charge your water. Care instructions, hand wash with mild dish soap. It says that it's made of glass, 304 stainless steel, BPA free plastic, silicone, clear quartz and rose quartz. Fill with purified H2O and place in the sun or moonlight to charge your water with crystal energy. Tuck an affirmation underneath for good vibes. Make your own ritual. Drink the water, cleanse sacred items, or add it to a bath. So apparently you're going to open this, dump these guys in there. So that's what it would look like, and you just add a little bit of water up here. And yeah, maybe like half of a water bottle could fit in there, and you can just drink your water. This is valued for $44. It says empower your sacred rituals with crystal infused water. Add the clear and rose quartz crystal bundle to the bottom chamber and pour purified H2O into the top. So there's that, again, valued for $44. And oh, there's this sticker sheet. That's kind of cute with the different crystals on there. It has their logo right in the middle. So this is Goddess Provisions. So this says adorn your planter, vision board, and mobile devices. Carry the vibrant beauty of your favorite crystals with you. These eco-friendly stickers are made with 100% post-consumer paper. Special note, they aren't waterproof. Yeah, they don't feel like they are. Valued for $5. $5 for this little sticker sheet. Let me show you something though. Where's the card? Oh, I'm using the card. The card that they printed, you see how bright and vibrant those images are? And then they go and they print these stickers and they look all dull. And then they call them $5. Okay, and they're not even waterproof. You couldn't put the little lamination sheet over the top of it? No. So there's that. I just think I mean, this would look so pretty if they were this bold and colorful. This just looks so dull compared to this, but valued for $5. The last item in here is the digital downloaded bonus. That's for healing with crystals, and that's valued for $11.11. And yeah, it tells you how to download it, and you can read up about that if you would like. So everything in my box, including the digital downloaded bonus for $11.11, the grand total for everything in this box will be right here. That'll be the retail total for everything that's included. And yeah, you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the box? I think this is really neat. It's just I'm not going to use this, and I think this chamber is a little small, especially for $44. I think you should be able to drink more water than that. You have a lavender bath bomb, which I'm just going to show you what the crystal is inside of it. You have a sticker sheet to use that's not waterproof. You have this, which I'm actually excited about to try to use to maybe help with like depuffing, if anything, because it is really nice. And if you put it in the refrigerator, it will be colder and feel a lot nicer. And then you have this little guy to clean your glasses. And that's everything. So if you want a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, you get 5 to 7 full-size products per box. Great value, typically between $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies. They ship free to the United States. Canadian shipping is $15, international is $25. This box is $33 per month, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you do a 12-month subscription at one time. Everything inside the boxes are always vegan and cruelty-free, and you'll always get different products including crystals, aromatherapy. You get spiritual growth tools, superfood snacks, teas, and different things like that. One thing I think is really weird that we didn't get the normal little crystal for the month. I think that's a little odd. It's the first time I've seen that not be in a box. And yeah, so you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the box? What do you think of the contents inside of their March box? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.